Welcome to Spreadsheet 1, topic 3.1.3 about adding backgrounds. So in a cell of a spreadsheet, we can add a background to change the formatting. Here in Google Sheets, it's the fill color. We can click on the fill color, and then we can choose a color in the set. For example, green. We can also highlight multiple cells and choose alternating colors. So we can have a title and then different colors. This might be more clear if I do an entire column. And we'll apply it, I need to apply it to that range. We'll get to those labels later. But now we have a nice header row as well as alternating colors, so in a long list of data, it becomes very easy to pick out just one. If you're reading the white row, then way out here, it's still the white row. Just to make that more clear, we'll highlight all of this, and we will do our fill with alternating colors here. Sorry, let's remove the alternating colors there. We can only have one set in place at a time. Now we'll do our alternating colors for the entire range. And you can see how in a large spreadsheet, this makes it much easier to track from row 17 here to make sure you're still tracking in row 17 over here.